Hi, hello, 大家好。Hello, everyone. This is 老师，我是老师。你好吗？ How are you? Today we are going to talk about the grammar 很. I know it sounds like in English hand, a hand, but in Chinese 很 meaning very. So how do we use 很 meaning very in Chinese language? It's actually very easy. Okay, so let's talk about the definition. 很 is a Chinese adverb that means very in Chinese. Sorry, very English. However, in Chinese, 很 is not always used to convey a high degree of intensity. Instead, it is often used as a general intensifier to indicate the presence of the adjective, regardless of its degree. So when we hear someone says a sentence with 很, even though in English we translate into very, but in Chinese, when we use that, it doesn't really mean very, but just tell you that the adjective is there. Okay, let's look at some example. It'll be easier to understand. Okay, so what do you think when you see this dog? It's really cool, right? Very handsome dog. So we look at the sentence. He is cool. 他很酷. He is cool. 他很酷. I can also translate into he's very cool. But you can see that in Chinese, even though I use 很 in English, you don't really need to add the very. He is cool is good enough. 他很酷. Okay, then this one, this cat. 这只猫它很聪明. 它很聪明. 聪明 means smart. 它很聪明. I use this picture because back in Taiwan, I used to have a cat, and she's really smart. 她很聪明. When she used restroom, okay, she used our toilet. Of course, she doesn't read newspaper on the toilet, but she could stand on the toilet and use the restroom. She's really smart. 她很聪明. 她很聪明. Okay, so here is the structure. Subject, 很, very, adjective. So next one, let's look at more example sentences. 认识你很高兴. 认识 to meet. 你 you 很高兴. 高兴 means happy. So 认识 to know you. 认识你很 very 高兴 happy. But you can see that in English, we didn't really translate as very happy to meet you. Just nice to meet you is good enough. 认识你很高兴. Okay, another example. 我很渴. 渴 means thirsty. 我很 very. 我很渴. I am thirsty. You don't really need to say I'm very thirsty. Well, maybe you can if you change your tone. If I say 我很渴, 我很渴, if you put an accent on 很, then people who was maybe talking to you, who is talking to you, they understand what you're trying to emphasize. That you really need something to drink. So you can put an accent on 很. Like this guy. Okay, I think under his circumstances, yeah, when he say the sentence, he will say 我很渴, 我很渴. Okay, next one. All right, this guy, yeah, I think we are going to put the accent on 很. He is very hungry, right? Not just he is hungry. So we can put an accent on 很. 我很饿. 饿 means hungry. 我很饿. I'm very hungry. But if you want to just say, just chatting with your friends, you want to just tell them, oh, I'm kind of hungry. Let's go grab some food to eat. Then you can just say, oh, 我很饿了. 我很饿. You hear the difference, right? Okay, last example. 我很渴. That's what we just saw, right? I'm very thirsty or I'm thirsty. 也很饿 and hungry. 也 meaning also. 我想吃 I would like to eat 中国菜 Chinese food. 喝 to drink 可乐 Coke. 我很渴 I'm thirsty. 也 also 很饿 hungry. 我想吃 I would like to eat 中国菜 Chinese food. 喝可乐 drink Coke. We'll talk about this punctuation mark next time. 好, this punctuation mark, I don't know if you can see that. We don't have that in English, but in Chinese, this is very, very special. Maybe we'll talk about it next time. All right, so I have a question for you. 你很累吗？你现在很累吗？ Are you tired now? 你 you 现在 right now 很累 累 means tired. 你现在很累吗？ Oh, sorry, I think my dog is whining again. Remember the last video I showed you? When she's hungry, she will start making the weird sound. Means she's hungry. 她很饿了。她想吃饭. She would like to eat. She needs to eat. Anyway, can you write down your answer on your worksheet? Or you can leave a comment underneath this video. Are you tired now? 你现在很累吗? How would you answer this question? 你现在很累吗? Are you tired now?